Hey, this is Richard Collins in Oklahoma City. This is the part you'll be changing. Okay, it's real easy to change. First thing you need to do is turn your copier off, unplug it, okay, and then you're going to lift this up, get it out of the way, and you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And you're going to remove this screw right here, and then you're going to remove this screw right here. And then there's two underneath. They're silver. You can see them. They're silver. And you need to remove these two. There's one right there where my finger is. And then there's another one right here. So there's 4 screws that hold this assembly in. All right, so you got the 4 screws out, and this assembly just lifts straight up and out, and there's 2 connections on the back. Okay, there's this connection here. It pulls out. Now, sometimes on this, there's a clip you need to push down and remove it. Okay, there's also a connection right here, and you just grab it and pull it out. Now sometimes there's a little clip right there you need to move to release it. The same with this. Sometimes some of them have a little clip that you need to remove it. Okay, so now you've taken this one out. This is your old one. It's no good. You've got your new one, and you're going to do the same thing in reverse. Connect the 2 and then put it all back together, and you should be ready to go. So I hope that helps you out. This is Richard in Oklahoma City. I'll send that out today.